Hey guys, so we just made it to the beach. It's really pretty. I think it's like 8:04 and I woke up at 6 o'clock. That little walking that you saw, yeah, that was Luna. I took her on a walk. I didn't feel like bringing my camera because I didn't want it to get sandy, so I'm just gonna do this whole vlog on the phone. But yeah, I'll just show you guys the water. There's like a little puddle up here. It's really pretty. And the water's actually nice for once. So yeah. See guys, there's like a little puddle right here. And then very shallow. Okay, so there's the water. Right now we're honestly just gonna lay down and just wait, and then later we're gonna get pliables, which so excited.
Two times a day.
Okay guys, so we were just laying down for a little bit, and now we are going to go to pliables to get breakfast. Well, kind of breakfast. So yeah. We got our acai bowls. I got a pure Vita with no honey, and instead of blueberries I add banana. So here's how it looks like. Looks so good. And then Angie got the electric mermaid with no honey. Here's hers. It's really pretty. So yeah, we're just gonna eat them, and then we might go into the water after.